Good one, Chili's. Good one. Well played. Woohoo! For gas on the way back, we just got on the road, but it is a beautiful day today. Wonderful weather. It's kind of sad we have to be in the car, but we must return. Oh, there we go. Sweet. Yeet. Okay, so future Zach here. Let me provide some context for this last clip you saw. We had gotten back to campus and everything, and Savannah had left her water bottle in the car, but I had left my keys. I had accidentally locked my keys in my room. So in order to get into the car, I had to get back into my room, and I wasn't at my room, so I had to come back to my room. Turns out it was locked, so I came through. Thankfully my suite mates were in there, so I came through that side. And then I had locked the bathroom door since I was gone for the weekend. And I had to take that penny and pull open the lock in my door. Thankfully you can do that so I could get in. But yeah, it was an interesting way to end the day. But yeah, I hope you had a good day and a good die, and I hope you stay good.